In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload leads to Zoho CRM. Uploading leads correctly is really important because it keeps your database clean, avoids duplicates, and makes your sales process much smoother. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the entire process from inside Zoho CRM, so you can confidently import a CSV or Excel file of leads without worrying about messing anything up. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and head to the Leads module. You'll find this as a tab at the top of the screen. Click on that, and you'll land on the main Leads homepage, where all your existing leads are listed. Next, look to the top right corner of that Leads page for the Import option. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an Import button or within a drop-down menu. Click there, then select Import Leads to open the Import wizard. Now you'll choose where your leads are coming from. In this case, select the From File option. This lets you upload a CSV or Excel file that you've already prepared. Browse your computer, select your leads file, and then click Next to move on. It's a good idea to make sure your file has clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone before you upload. Zoho will now ask how you want to handle the imported data. You have three choices. Add as new, leads will bring in all the records as brand new entries. Here, you can also tell Zoho to skip records that match existing leads based on a unique field, like email. Update existing leads only will look for matches on that unique field and only change records that are already in your CRM. And both will add new leads and also update existing ones in a single import. Choose the option that best fits your situation so you don't create unnecessary duplicates. After that, you'll see the field mapping screen. Zoho reads the column headers from your file and attempts to match them to lead fields in the CRM. Take your time here. Review each mapping carefully and use the drop-down menus to fix anything that didn't map correctly. You can assign default values, create new custom fields on the fly, and even map multiple file columns into a single CRM field if needed. This step ensures that your data lands in the right place. Before you finish, configure the final options. Choose who will own these leads by assigning them to a specific user or using assignment rules. Decide whether to trigger any existing workflows or automations so your follow-ups, emails, or scoring rules run automatically. You can also attach follow-up tasks so that each imported lead has a clear next action. When everything looks good, click Finish to start the import. Zoho CRM will process the file and then send you a notification summarizing the results, including how many records were added, updated, or skipped, so you can quickly confirm that your import worked as expected.